I'm Bonnie. Aha! Today we have a cooking class. Let's decorate a pizza. Now it's your turn. With ingredients such as tomato dice, green bell pepper, chopped onions, cheddar cheese, red bell peppers, sliced sausage, decorate the dog pizza with tomatoes. Now with green bell pepper. Sprinkle with cheese. Last, decorate with onions. Now put in the oven.
A few moments later.
Now let me try your delicious pizza. Yummy! Oh my god, it's very delicious. And that was it, a pizza decoration and cooking time with me. And okay, kid, hope you like it. See you on the next cooking class. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.